Hey everybody, how's it going? Memphis J here, Black and Tan Media, and I got a quick video on how to delete the YouTube video, that big crazy video you didn't mean to upload. So you can click on your avatar up in the right hand corner, you can go to Creator Studio, one way to get this towards this way. But you know, if you click on these, they're not going to give you the chance to delete. So the easiest way, if you're viewing this channel, or if you're viewing this page, click View All, and that will bring you to this. If you see this Creator Studio side, click on Videos. Anyway, you want to get to this screen. This video right here, delete this video, please. Delete me is the one I want to delete. And one way to delete it would be to click this little down arrow. Click Delete. Sure you want to do it. I'm going to push Escape or Cancel, because I want to show you one other way. In case you want to do multiples, you could click them. I'm only going to delete this one. Then I'm going to say Actions right here. Click on it. Come down. Delete. Permanently delete your video. You can't undo this. So, got to be sure that's how you do it. Again, Video Manager. Get to your videos. If you want to click on it here, Actions, come down, Delete, Escape, or click that and delete. Delete. It's gone. Videos deleted. Great success. Thanks for checking out this video. Please like and subscribe as they make changes to YouTube. It really helps me out if you subscribe. So, thanks. I hope this helps you out. Take it easy, YouTube. Yeah. If you're still here, pretty awesome. Thanks for checking out all the way to the end. Alright, I'm done. Oh, dang it. I know that. Should have known that, huh?